in South Carolina named Bonnie who filled out a active tip request form to see how to use the Arrange Windows feature. What I have here is a flip chart page with the title, with a story of The Raven by Edgar Allan Poe. I'm going to go to my window, and we're going to look at the other flip chart that I have open right now, which is flip chart 2, which has a great picture of a story image from the Raven poem. I'd like to get this image on the page with the Raven text. Now the way I'm going to do that is go over to my right-hand toolbar and go to my Arrange Windows. And I can actually, from this point, I could flip back between one or the other, or I could click it and go to Arrange Windows. I now get this Arrange toolbox that pops up. What I can do is over here on the left, I can click how I want to arrange the windows on the page. I could do 6 to a page and they'll show up, 1 in each of the spots it shows there. I can arrange them horizontally, or I can arrange them vertically, depending on which button I click. I'm going to go ahead and arrange them horizontally, because I only have 2 flip charts. And what I see is they now are arranged horizontally. I have flip chart 1 on the left and flip chart 2 on the right. Now if I click and drag this picture, just drag it and then let go and drop it, I can copy it or move it between flip charts. So it's a great way. I don't have to worry about copying and pasting. I can actually work with 2 flip charts at the same time, moving images left and right, moving text. If I go to my page selector on both flip charts, I can actually move pages back and forth. I can have up to 6 flip charts open at once, moving pages in between them. I'm going to go ahead and get out of the page view for each one. Now if I want to maximize my flip chart number 1, now that I have it done, just go up to the top to the maximize button, and there we go. My flip chart is now maximized. One other feature out of Arrange Windows is this big box with squares that you'll notice. What this does is if I click and drag out a section, it'll make my flip chart that size of my screen. So you see I drag the top 4 and it put it in the 4th quadrant of my screen. If I go ahead and drag out the middle, it'll put it right there. If I drag out the full screen, it'll make it full screen. Basically, wherever I drag it out is wherever it goes on the screen. It's a great way to use Arrange Windows if you're working with other applications. Once again, this was from Bonnie in South Carolina. If you have an idea for a tip, just go to the Promethean Planet website and click on Request Active Tips, and your idea could be next.